Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today we will be making homemade Play-Doh. This recipe consists of 1 cup of flour, a half cup of salt, and a half cup of water. I would recommend gradually stirring in the water to get the right consistency. I doubled this recipe. First, I tried coloring the dough with food coloring. This was very messy, as you can see in the video, and it stained my hands for about half the day. Next, I tried my preferred method of coloring with washable paint. The paint color did stay on my skin, but washed off after use, unlike the food coloring. I did add a little flour to each Play-Doh ball due to the food coloring and paint making it sticky. To keep the dough fresh, we place them in Ziploc bags. If they dry out, you can add a little bit of water to it later. This homemade dough lasts about 4 weeks and can be kept in the fridge to lengthen its life. Ooh, did you make a star? Wow, good job. What else do you want to make?
Butterfly.
You want to make a butterfly? Make a butterfly. Wow, good job! Butterfly. We did want to keep some of our Play-Doh creations, so we baked them at 200 degrees for 60 minutes. If they are thicker pieces, they may need closer to 2 hours. My daughter loved playing with the creations after they were baked. We hope that you enjoyed this video and that you have a great week. See you next time.